Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn English 360. In today's video, we are going to learn 10-line essay on Will AI replace human jobs? Let's start. First line, artificial intelligence is growing very fast in today's world. Second line, many machines can now do work that humans used to do. Third lines, AI can replace some repetitive and simple jobs. Fourth line, however, AI cannot fully replace human thinking and creativity. Fifth line, humans are better at emotions, decisions, and problem solving. Sixth line, AI works with data, but humans work with feelings and ideas. Seventh line, new jobs are also created because of AI technology. Eighth line, people need to learn new skills to work with AI. Ninth line, AI should be used as a helper, not as a replacement. 10th and last line, therefore, AI will change jobs, but it cannot replace humans completely. Dear friends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational and learning videos. I'll be coming back with another video. Till then, take care.